My name is Beatrice Octavia, and now I want to presentation about the impact of coronavirus to human activities. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Earth now is like slowly stopping and losing most all of activities. The Earth seems to be imprisoned by the disaster and that befell inhabitants. Such humans are given the choice to stay at home or be in contact with coronavirus. With the current situation, many natural activities such as election and international events, for the example is Premier League or international scale music concert, are also forced to be postponed. Relations between countries are also forced to be postponed or suspended. For the example, is restriction on people from other countries to entering the country or flights stop to and from China, which is the first country affected by the coronavirus. And the temporarily stop Umrah activities. With all the cessation of national and international activities, the world economy is on the verge of crisis. Countries where the population is contaminated by the coronavirus must be willing if the exchange rate of the currency is affected, as in Indonesia, where the exchange rate of the currency dropped dramatically. This morning, I'd like to present about the impact of coronavirus to human activities. And I will divide in three important subtopics related to the coronavirus. Namely, is explanation related to the coronavirus and its spread. The second is the strong impact to international relation between countries and the huge economic losses due to the coronavirus. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. The first explanation is about the origin and spread of the coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a virus can spread very quickly from human to human. This virus is very worrying because can make acute pneumonia or even death if the symptom is very similar to the influenza. And sometimes people didn't know that she is or he is contaminated to affected coronavirus. And according to BBC Daily, the beginning of the coronavirus or patient zero come from the marine animal and fish market in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. Because of its spread, the virus has been spread very quickly for the all of country in the world. According to CNN, there are 196 countries have been exposed to coronavirus only by doing or getting with bodily fluid for an infected person, then will not infected person can be a infected person. But we can prevent the spread of the coronavirus as by maintaining health, maintaining hygiene, such as diligently washing hand with soap and always bathing after traveling because that's very important. But the best way to break the chain to spread by is by social distancing and physical distancing. If you doing social distancing and physical distancing, you don't have to get closer to another people. So this is the best way in China to stopping the spread of coronavirus. If we don't make effort to prevent the coronavirus, we can be sure there will be more people contaminated to the coronavirus. Now I will explain about how coronavirus has a very impact to the world, especially for relation between countries. As we all know that relation between countries such as diplomacy is very important to do because can improve countries' economy. However, with the coronavirus making world activity like a pause, a lot of activities between countries are forced to stop and this is doing is to spread the coronavirus. Interstate activities forced to stop if have many people between their respective countries. For example, is the implementation of Umroh, which had to stop to stopping the spread of coronavirus. Flights between countries have to be reduced or even stopped, and flight to and from China is stopped according to Liputan 6. The country who stopped flight to and from China is United States, South Korea, Australia, and other. It's because China is the first country or the origin country of the coronavirus. In addition, the relation between countries has many important to do. Relation between countries, many domestic activities were also stopped, such as teaching and learning activities, work and other activities that are forced to be done at home or work from home. And we have to reduce the spread of coronavirus by doing all of activities at home. And many countries then decide lockdown. Many domestic activities must be postponed or suspended. And all of that is done to reduce the number of coronavirus spread that can easily spread from human to human. Country is decide lockdown so many countries such as China, Japan, South Korea, Italia, Irlandia, India, and other. Many countries are decide lockdown to stop spread of coronavirus. And with so many activities between countries that have to be postponed or stopped, many flights between countries has to be stopped. Many countries has decided lockdown, such as India, South Korea, and others. Many domestic activities of one country have to be carried out online, and the policy of each other countries is because of coronavirus, is by coronavirus, is for stop the spread of coronavirus. With a lot of delay and cessation, the countries of the world are currently experiencing economic losses, and even the economic crisis is quite strong because all of this delay and stop have a strong impact on the economy. And now economy is going so much crisis. For the example, is exchange rate of the United States dollar against Indonesia, which is currently dropped dramatically. And mentioned by Sri Mulyani as Minister of Finance is dropped dramatically of the exchange rate Indonesian rupiah is moreover high from the crisis is in um, 1998. Not only Indonesia, other countries which for the example is India, which decide to do lockdown, total lockdown, is expressing an economic crisis. As a result of the coronavirus, which is not only have impact on politics and relation between countries, but also has an impact on the country's economy. The economic impact is quite large because many of the country's main sectors, such as tourism and tourist attraction, must lose. For the example, is the Eiffel Tower. We know that Eiffel Tower is very good and being international um, international tourism. And if you see this picture is to tell us if Eiffel Tower is closed to due to lockdown. The problem is tourist activities being the main source of state finance are forced to be stopped to suppress the spread of coronavirus. So you can imagine how the economic of country, how the country's economy is very down, is very dramatically down because of this virus. In conclusion, a very small coronavirus is apparently able to have a big impact on a country. Coronavirus can weaken a country because of the economy. Cooperation between countries and activities within the country are delayed and even hampered because of coronavirus. The government of any country in the world can refuse to do small or large scale restriction due to this virus, especially it's very fast and able to spread from human to human. So that the restriction of activities is officially have to be done. The restriction also affects on international relation in the world. Many flights to and from China, which is the origin country of coronavirus, is is delayed or stopped. The first country affected by the COVID-19. Umroh activities were postponed, teaching and learning activities have to do at home. As a result, also crisis as a result also affected the country's economy that suffered heavy loss. Many countries are facing an economic crisis because their activities are hampered, especially countries that do lockdown because they have to think about how they live if the country doing total lockdown. For the example is India, South Korea, and others. However, despite all that, I believe that there will always have a good meaning behind all of the COVID-19 problem. Because of COVID-19 or coronavirus, we have to live clean all the time and relation with our family become more tightly because we have to stay at home for a long time. So let us together help the world to stop the spread of coronavirus by maintaining your health and maintaining hygiene, and the best way is doing social distancing and physical distancing because together we can do it.